We're in the bathroom at the Westin Hotel, and where we are about to do an on-location shoot downtown. But we need a place to change, so that's where we are.
Yeah, this is what real artists do.
Yes, you pull up and park anywhere. I do have a tent, by the way, if we need it, but anyway.
Right.
We have also a very air-conditioned bathroom. Now we're gonna show you Ashtin, who's gonna be our muse today. Hi, Ashtin.
Hi guys.
Isn't her outfit so cute?
You don't always get to have a studio space or, you know, a location that's air conditioned. So we're making it work.
Yep.
We are guerrilla styling it. We're at the Westin Hotel. We're in the bathroom. And we're just puffing out my hair, getting it ready, you know, for the looks. While she kind of puts some looks together for us.
Yes.
Because our location is literally right outside.
Yep.
So we're just making it work, and I'm doing my hair.
So I am going to show you, beautiful ladies and gentlemen, in the stall where I'm putting together looks. We have this really cool skirt. Yes, I am in a bathroom stall. Anyway, and it's a really cool skirt and a little top, shirt dress here with this beautiful button detailing. We got a very cool shirt here, so I'm probably, it looks a little mangled right now on the hanger, but don't worry. Once we get it onto Ashtin, it'll look really high fashion.
Plus our student loans won't get paid off.
Don't we all?
Yes.
Yeah,
We all do.
we all do.